Feel like switching things up? Well, I have the Arcturus C.A.T AR-15 Versatile 10-inch AR AEG. In the box, you have your windowed EMM magazine. It's a variable cap magazine, meaning you can switch between low cap, mid cap, or high cap. It comes with flip-up iron sights, multiple accessories for your stock, a Dean's converter, your manual of course, and this magazine well for M4 magazines. But that's where it gets interesting. If you don't want to use M4 magazines, it's as simple as pulling off this mag well. Just press this button under your trigger guard and pull off this magazine well and slide on the one that you would like to use. Now with that new magazine well, I can use submachine gun mags. Also available is the same type of magazine well that will take AK magazines. You essentially get the capabilities of 3 different magazines all in the same package. The receiver, handguard, and stock are all designed to make this as lightweight as possible. There's a Picatinny rail up top for optics mounting, and then we have a deleted Picatinny section here with M-lock slots for that weight savings, and then one more pick rail up at the front for backup sights. The battery installation is very simple. Press this button in the stock, door pops open, and your Dean's connector is right here. I love a good folder. There's a braided protector for your battery cable. To deploy the stock, lift up and swing it out. The stock itself is also adjustable for length of pull. This is ambidextrous. It uses a split version 2 gearbox. It uses a bonded Neo 24K high performance motor with a MIM steel pinion. It comes with a pre-installed performance air seal kit with a PCP grade precision inner barrel, a CNC palm nozzle, and a CNC steel cylinder nozzle. Light up your foes at 20+ rounds per second. You can expect about 375 feet per second with .20s.